Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick, simple guide on how to unpin a space on Google Chat using your PC. If you've recently noticed some changes in the layout or features after the new update, don't worry, this guide will help you get it done in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that you use for Google Chat. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid of 9 small dots right beside your profile picture. This is called the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on those 9 dots. From the list of apps that appear, select Chat. This will take you directly into Google Chat, where all your conversations and spaces are organized. Once you're in Google Chat, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your spaces and group chats are listed. Scroll through the list until you find the space that you've pinned and want to unpin. When you hover your mouse over that space, you'll see 3 small dots appear next to its name on the right side. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. This menu gives you a few options for managing that space. From the drop-down list, select Unpin. The moment you click it, the space will be unpinned and move back into your regular chat list, no longer staying fixed at the top. And that's it. You've successfully unpinned a space in Google Chat on your PC. This quick change can help you stay organized and keep your workspace tidy, especially if you're a part of several chat groups or projects. You can always pin or unpin spaces anytime you need, depending on which ones you want to keep easily accessible. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more simple tech tips just like this. Thanks for watching.